So Lorenga has disclosed that she's not okay. Let me just read what she posted. And for the past few years, I've been going through a tough time. I often feel sad and confused, and I don't know why. I thought maybe I was lonely, which led me to start relationships that I didn't really want. I cry a lot, especially at night. To copy, I keep myself super busy, like studying two things at once. I thought that would help, but when I finally have free time, my mind races with thoughts I can't escape. I have a lot of questions that I can't answer. It's not about money, it's something deeper. Sometimes I wake up wondering if my family, wherever they are now, has found peace while I struggle. I hope that one day I'll feel better, but I'm scared of being alone and how I feel right now. I spend many nights unable to sleep, and I suspect some of this pain is related to grief. They say time heals, but I'm not so sure if that will be true for me. All I can say is my celebrities edwaya they are going through a lot kunze uku off camera vanouya zvavo vachitisimbisa pasocial media chiona kuti zvinhu zvavo zvinenge zviri right, but they are actually going through the most. Mai Jeremiah nahodzeko also said to her, hana mai Jeremiah panapa unerera haumbojairike munin'ina unoshaya kuti chii chaizvo. You are strong, Lolo, hardworking, and you have a kind heart. You seek peace, it will soon find you. Do not lose hope, sending love. Mai Jeremiah was also complaining about unerera of late vachitaura kuti maheartbreaks avo dai pasina kutoti inherera pamwe dai zviri nani here ndozvavaitaura something like that vachiti unerera hunoita kuti heartbreak ive worse. And then Odzeko Murumo Madam Bosans, we laugh and look happy online, but deep inside we are hating. May we heal from everything we are going through. It is well, Chera. We have come this far by grace. God is watching. All our struggles and tribulations shall come to pass. Sure, varukuto utaura panapa kutoti anyway, online ma celebrities vanongouya vachingoseka vachifara nesu, but zvinhu zvacho zvisina kutombomira zvakanaka. Pamwe isusu kudzimba dzedu titori nani nenhamo yedu pane zvavari kuenda through ivo vanhu ava. So I think kuti sometimes kuvhairirana kutukana kuita sezvo it's just pointless. Does this mean kuti my relationship avo naThomas Chishanje was that to force? Anga ari kuforsa here koya mama V ari kutaura kuti I hope one day I'll feel better, and ari kuita she is always so saying kuti she's not coping. She tries by all means kuda kuita ma relationship, and free time yake her mind races, her mind is always racing. So ipapo manje pekuti haasi kumboisa relationship yake ipapapa kuti relationship yake namama V vanhu ava kana vakuda kuita reality of life chaicho vanonyatsoratidza kunyatsoburitsa kuti hapana relationship namama V. Ndozvandaona hangu mastatements aya zvikutoratidza kuti marelationship ese kumashure ayo she was trying to fit in, she was trying to da kuita vanhu kuti asave sad and confused, but it didn't work out. And at this moment sisi vanenge vari lonely, ndosaka vari kungotaura kuti zvoni now I'm not better, I spend many nights unable to sleep. So she's going through grief related. I think kuti another therapy, she needs therapy. Therapy is advisable at this moment because zvikutomuremera musikana. Munhu akati time heals akanyepa hake, it just helps to cope with our situations. Otherwise time doesn't heal anything. If you have lost your loved ones, you can actually agree with me kuti even if it's 20 years ago, you just think of them now and some pain just comes back out of nowhere. 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, you still feel the pain up to now. There are people that I saw who have lost their people, like one of my family members that disappeared. Kuma 1970s, 80s, somewhere there, they still feel pain and they still think about those people. So no, grief. Sometimes if you don't get help on it, you still grieve. Zvimwe zvacho zvinoda kuti uende kunotsvaga professional help. Zvatinoda izvi zvekuti hey ma celebrities vari right, they are going their places, they are what nekuside isuwo tinenge chiwapawo pressure and they succumb to that pressure, but kuseri uko vachiridza mhere. Life yacho got no balance at all. We just hope Lolo will be fine. Yeah, kuti she's okay, I'm okay, but unyatsoona statement iyi, there's no way that you write the statement and they say I'm okay. There's nothing like that. Let's hope she will not continue to feel this way. She will be peaceful in her whole life, in the rest of her life. She's still young. To go out to development, she needs to enjoy her money in peace. She needs to go to places. She needs to go to do this and this at her age. But kana manje affectwa at this moment akwanise kuenjoya kamari yacho. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. How are you dealing with grief? How are you dealing with broken families? How are you dealing with broken relationship? Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. If you're a subscriber, please make sure that you are subscribed, and see you in my next video.